Are you feeling it?
Fantastic.
10 out of 10. Highly recommend. Hi everybody and welcome to my channel. My name is Tiffany. I go by Stylebytiff on all social medias, and this is my first YouTube video. You can tell it's my first YouTube video because I'm having a hard time figuring out where to look at. I am getting ready to go to New York. I'm really excited. I'm getting dressed now. Once I get dressed, I'm gonna show y'all what I'm wearing. And then we're gonna go to New York for New York Fashion Week. I only have like one show that I'm supposed to be going to, but we're gonna go there, eat, enjoy, have fun. 72 hours in New York. Let's do this. Okay, I'm finally dressed. I'm like dying inside because it's 7 a.m. in the morning. Okay, so I am wearing a muscle tee. Do y'all remember when these were like extremely popular? These were from like when it was like big in Frankie Shop. It was like $100-something from Frankie Shop. Well, this is the one from Zara with the shoulder pads. And I just wanted something easy to throw on shirt to be comfortable in. And then, is my thing set? Okay. So this is from Amazon The Drop with Karen Bridget collection pants. Y'all don't understand how much I love these pants. Like, they are my favorite pants right now. I'm so obsessed with them. They're so comfortable. They just bring that edge and that design without doing too much. And so I was like, I'm still gonna be walking around a little bit because you know how like New York, you have to wait to check in. So I was like, let me at least look semi-decent. And then the boots are just like some old H&M boots. I was gonna wear like my Doc Martens, but I was like, these are the most comfortable boots I have right now in New York walking. I was like, let me just wear something comfortable. So that's why I have those on. This is from a shop in Eastern Market, and I love these earrings. They're such a cute design. And so I'm gonna wear those, and then I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. So this jacket is like an old H&M jacket. Just like a little trench just to throw on top. Such a cute design as well too. Love the sleeves, love the added shoulders, very drama. So this is just a cool stay warm on the train look, and we're ready to go. So y'all see that I am in New York. I made it safely. We went out to eat. We went to the Edge. We went to the mall that's over there by the Edge, and now we are going to Soho. It's already dark out because it's around 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. So yeah, I'm gonna show you my outfit real quick. Just give me 1 second. But yeah, loving New York so far. All right, let's get into the outfit. Okay. Sorry, y'all. Let's talk about it. Let's see. Earrings are from a little market, an Eastern market in DC. The fur is vintage. Belt Zara. Everything else is Zara, guys. Sorry. The jacket, the shorts are Zara. This top though is really old, Forever 21, and the fact that it's still like in good condition is amazing. And then the boots are from Nasty Girl. Just got them, so hopefully they don't kill me tonight. Do you want to tell your outfit?
Sure.
Okay.
H&M. I think my
whole thing.
Yeah,
H&M.
The pants are from H&M. My earrings, I think these are from Forever 21.
Oh, there we go. Okay.
The real star of the show.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I'm just, what shoes? Yeah, I even think my shoes are from Forever 21. Some like little black ankle boots. Yeah.
Yes.
You know, keeping it simple tonight.
Good little neutral look, both of us. And then we're going to do a fun look later. Y'all will see. Okay, bye. So now we're on the streets. Freezing our ass off. We were at Restoration Hardware restaurant. What do you give
Amazing. I can't even I can't even put into words how
Right.
great. The lobster roll, the salmon, the fries, the wine, the service,
the
ambiance, the lights.
Yes.
100 out of 10.
You can't even give it 10 out of 10. 100 out of 10. This is the restaurant. Oh shoot.
Oh, let me go.
Right there. Oh, there. I'm sorry, guys. Okay. It was amazing. If you are in New York, I highly suggest you go to it. It's a little pricey, but it was worth it. It was definitely worth it. Yeah. And now we're gonna go back to the hotel, get redressed, rest a little bit, charge our phones, and then we're going to go out some more. I mean, it's New York. City never sleeps. We're in the streets. All right, bye.
Okay.
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 Make sure we're all on the same.
On the same page. Oh my god. Okay, so this is my outfit. Somebody's really upset over there because she has the same outfit. She got the jacket today. She has a dress already. She leaves both of them. Well, no, she leaves the dress back at home. So we could have been twins. We could have.
Oh, I'm steaming. I'm so upset.
But it's okay. We're gonna do the pictures again. Apparently in Virginia.
Yes.
Virginia, DC. All right. So I'm wearing. This is from Silhouette Fashion, I think it's called. I'll leave it below because I can't remember. H&M jacket. Just recently got online. And then again, I'm doing a Nasty Girl boots. And then these, I remember when Britman Rock did the collab for the sunglasses. That's what these are. So we're doing. No, she didn't. We're doing all green look. And we're ready to go. We're going to Public Hotel. It's called The Roof. We'll see what happens.
I put out the other one
Okay, we're back. Talking about my outfit again. Let's see. The hat is from Amazon. Earrings again, Eastern Market. A vendor out there. Shirt is Old Forever 21. Pants are Zara. Shoes, DSW. And then the jacket is Zara again. Really like this look, but it is snowing outside, so we are about to freeze. Let's do this.
Yeah.
How do you feel in it?
Fantastic.
10 out of 10. Highly recommend. I am obsessed with Maximara coats. This is a small and I'm $2,000. I don't know, but this is so nice and cuddly. All right, guys, we are back in DC. It's like a week later. I just wrapped up the editing on this video, and whew, that took a minute. This was my first time doing it, but I enjoyed it. I really enjoyed editing for this New York vlog. Just want to let you know this channel will be about fashion, styling, how to look expensive on a budget, but a lot of travel in there. I love traveling. I love going to different places, and I want to show y'all different places to go as well too. If you like my vibe, stick around. I love doing vibey videos. Follow me on all social medias. My name is Stylebytiff. Please like, comment, and subscribe. If you like this video, if you like the vibes, comment down below. If you know any great places to go to in New York that I did not go to, let me know. And if you like those places that I went to and the fashion that I was wearing, comment down below that too. Subscribe, and I will see y'all on the next video. Bye.